Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack Rar Zip archives on XIAOMI 12T. And to do this we'll need to open the Rar app. We've shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's find the files that we want to unpack, select them, click on this arrow pointing up. Here you can change any extraction options, click on browse to change the designation as well. So I want them unpacked in the movies folder, click on OK. Here you can also, as I mentioned, change these options, and when it's ready, click on OK. Now you can see all the files that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.